Arunachal Pradesh, the largest northeastern state of India, having a total geographical area of 83,743 square kilometers, represents an out-of-the-world natural beauty that can only be imagined in dreams. A wonder of the world, Arunachal Pradesh is richly bejeweled with mountains, forests, streams, and wildlife. Apart from this, the state is endowed with extensive natural resources and hydropower. To the south, it shares its boundaries with the states of Assam and Nagaland. It shares international borders in the west with Bhutan, in the east with Myanmar, and in the north with China. The state capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Arunachal Pradesh is one of the biodiversity hotspots of the world.
Arunachal Pradesh has a rich flora and fauna. It is a global hotspot of biodiversity.
Harboring immensely rich floral and faunal species in wide-ranging agroclimatic conditions. On the one hand, and on the other, the treasure of indigenous traditional knowledge, base and ethnic people's ability to use the tools available around them that are uniquely positioned for large-scale application of science.
We hope to explore the recent developments in science and technology and utilize these for the development of the state so that the masses can be benefited.
The resources are to be utilized on a sustainable basis with the science and technology applications for development without any degradation to the ecology and environment of the state. Thus, science and technology can play a vital role in the utilization and management of the vast natural resources and addressing the location-specific problems for all-around development of the state. In this direction, Arunachal Pradesh State Council of Science and Technology, APSCST, was established in the year 1992 to cater to the need of science and technology requirement of the state. The Council also advises the government on policies and measures necessary to promote the utilization of science and technology for achieving the socio-economic objectives of the state.
The government has also set up a state remote sensing application center to utilize remote sensing applications for development of society.
Since its inception, APSTST has been playing the catalytic role with the basic objectives for promoting the application of science and technology for proper utilization of natural resources, mapping, documentation, and development of replication of technologies, and popularization and communication of science and technology, etc. For development of human skill in rural areas and creating scientific awareness among the mass of the state.
Since its inception, the Council has been engaged in science popularization program as per its mandate, and also it is engaged in several scientific activities for the socio-economic development of the state of Arunachal Pradesh through scientific intervention.
Conducted a master resource person orientation workshop training for the teachers and district coordinators. Organized National Children's Science Congress, National Mathematics Day, National Science Day. Organized an exposure tour for meritorious students of Arunachal Pradesh. Initiated sanitary napkin production and training for self-sustainability of rural tribal women of Arunachal Pradesh. Demonstrated the technology on geothermal energy for heating and cooling system at General Hospital Kimin, Papumpare district of Arunachal Pradesh. Conducted students' Solar Ambassador workshop held on 2nd October 2019 at IG Park, Itanagar.
The 6th edition of the India International Science Festival is being held from 22nd to 25th December.
Conducted a robotic awareness program for school level promoting innovation and ideas among the students. Facilitated the LEGO EV3 robotics competition organized by Arunachal Pradesh Science Centre. Participated in the Northeast Zonal Robotics Olympiad held at Guwahati on 21st January 2020.
The council as of today has 3 different branches. DBT, that is biotechnology, and we have Science Center and the Innovation Hub.
The National Council of Science Museums decided to develop a center in Itanagar, the objectives of which was to pursue the development of scientific culture among the people of Arunachal Pradesh. This resulted in the successful establishment of Arunachal Pradesh Science Center on 3rd December 2005. The first of its kind in the state, at the vantage location of IG Park over an area of 1.5 hectares. It is popularly known as the Science Museum. It aspires to develop a scientific temperament in society and to promote creative learning of science in schools and colleges. It exhibits and expositions only invite us to interact and explore the knowledge unknown. The state has therefore fitted itself with the state-of-the-art building, the Innovation Hub, the Space Education Center respectively. The Innovation Hub has various departments like robotics, Idea Lab, Design Studio, Chemistry, Physics, and Biology Lab. An Innovation Hub is a place that provides facilities to nurture new ideas and help develop an inquisitive perspective in today's youth. This hub will serve as a springboard of new ideas and innovation and thus help the society and economy to face future challenges and meet the rising aspirations of the growing populations. The main objectives of the Innovation Hubs are to promote innovation, creativity, and engagement in science, to foster problem-solving ability and project-based learning, to provide practical learning and engagement in the process of science, technology, and innovation, to ignite the young minds about innovation for a better future, to help our society and the economy face future challenges in science and technology. The Innovation Hub has a Discovery Hall, Innovation Resource Center, and a Hall of Fame, Innovation Lab, Design Studio, and a Space Education Center, also known as Planetarium. Apart from all this, the Science Center organizes an innovation festival where local entrepreneurs are invited to showcase their products.
In 2019, there was this Science and Technology Innovation Festival. Then they invited me to be a part of it. Then I went there, and then I got an opportunity, a platform to showcase my products. And from that show, that festival kind of boosted my business.
By doing this, the entrepreneurs can boost their businesses by widening their business horizons. This year also, the Innovation Festival 2020 was successfully organized between 25th and 26th January 2020. The Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, Shri Chauna Men, launched the awareness programs on robotics at school level. At Aspirational District Namsai on 19 September 2019 by operating the Rego robot. A total of 100 schools were covered and more than 1500 students and 200 teachers were benefited. LEGO EV3 Robotics Competition, organized by Arunachal Pradesh Science Center. A total of 10 participants took part in this competition. The winners of this competition participated in the Northeast Zonal Level Robotic Olympiad, organized by Innovation Hub Regional Science Center, Khanapara, Guwahati. The council organized the Student Solar Ambassador Workshop, at IG Park, Itanagar on 2nd October 2019 to mark the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. In this workshop, students from different districts of the state lit their self-made solar lamps, thereby spreading the message solar energy is the future energy for sustainability. More than 4,000 students across the state were trained to assemble their own solar study lamp. The Space Education Center holds shows on mysteries of the universe and space. The Dome Planetarium stimulates the night sky of Itanagar or any other place in the Northern Hemisphere. One learns to identify stars and constellations easily here. The real sky no longer remains an enigma thereafter. Another interesting part is the Dino Park. It is a light and sound show set in an open air, the only animatronics dino park in the state. It is equipped with 50-seated amphitheater telling a very compelling story about what dinosaurs ate, when and where they lived, how they protected themselves, and how they adapted to their prehistoric world. In a nutshell, it is a three-dimensional multimedia exposition that enthralls the visitors by taking them back to the Jurassic Age in which different types of dinosaurs ruled over the earth.
This government has taken many steps to promote science and technology.
This Center for Bioresource and Sustainable Development was sanctioned by Department of Biotechnology, Government of India in 2018, and since then we have been pursuing to establish this center as a center of excellence.
To start the activities of the center, temporary infrastructure was developed in 2018 by renovating the half-completed structure available at the project site in Kimin. The office space and the lab with minimum required facilities have been set up for carrying out the primary scientific activities and experiments. The permanent G3 building of the center, constructed through APPWD in progress, is to be completed by March 2021. During the short tenure from the establishment of the center, with its temporary arrangements, some scientific and technical progress has been made. Field explorations, surveys, and research were initiated and conducted in different districts of the state. Samples of the important medicinal, wild, edible, oil-yielding plants and other important bioresources were collected, and indigenous knowledge systems associated with various tribes with regards to the use of these plants in traditional healthcare and other practices have been documented and are being used for carrying out research activities and development of the database. Mushroom spawn production and organizing various workshops on mushroom cultivation are some other key projects of the center. An orchidarium is being developed within the center premises. The initiative of the project for demonstration of technology on geothermal energy for heating and cooling system at General Hospital Kimin has been taken with the objectives of demonstrating the heating and cooling system integrated with the renewable energy system. The geothermal energy system is clean as there are no on-site greenhouse gas emissions because the system does not combust any fuel. The primary benefit of installing this system is a reduction in energy consumption and a resultant decrease in utility expenses.
I humbly stand here with a solemn pledge to protect, preserve, and nurture our environment for a gratifying present and green future. To be conscious of my own actions, to not cause harm to our nature, to show courage, to speak up, condemning action that damage our environment, to be compassionate, responsible global citizens, to ensure peaceful coexistence of all living beings in the world. Thank you.